In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the Facebook Marketplace option missing or not showing on your account. Let's get started. First, if you do not find the option of Marketplace in your homepage, what you will need to do is click on three bars, then navigate to the option Settings and Privacy, head over to the option Settings. Once you're in this page, at the top, you're going to find this search box. You type in tab bar. Once the option appears, click on it. Click on the option Customize the bar. Here, find Marketplace, click on this drop down and set it to Auto or Pin. This way, Marketplace will be available in your homepage. If it's still missing, make sure Marketplace is available in your region as it's not supported everywhere, and also check your age settings because there are age restrictions. Ensure your Facebook profile has the correct birth date. To check that, click on three bars. Navigate to the option Settings and Privacy, then Settings, click on Account Center, then head over to the option Profiles and Personal Details. Click on Birthday, click on the option Edit, and update your birthday. With this, you might get the option of Marketplace in your account. Next, make sure your app is fully updated since an outdated version can cause features to disappear. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Facebook. Once app appears, if you find the option Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, you can report a problem to Facebook support team. For that, go to Help and Support. Click on the option Report a Problem. Click on the option Continue to Report. Click on Don't Include. From here, select the feature Marketplace. Now here you will need to briefly explain about the issue that Marketplace option is missing in your account and send it. With that, Facebook support team will get back to you. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. You'll get access to Facebook Marketplace. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.